Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping the model so the liner behaves predictably. Clean the area with alcohol, then apply a thin, even primer coat and let it cure. Once done, shake the AK panel liner for 30 to 60 seconds to homogenize pigments. This prevents clogging and uneven flow. You test the product on a scrap piece to confirm color and viscosity. Make sure to have a fine brush and thinner at hand. These first actions set you up for controlled panel lining without rework. You now apply the liner methodically, working one small section at a time so mistakes stay limited. Start at one end of the panel line and let capillary action pull the liner into recesses. You only guide it gently with the brush, because forcing it creates blobs. If the liner pools, remove excess promptly with a thin brush dipped in AK thinner or a cotton swab dampened with thinner. Once a section looks right, allow it to dry. Before moving to adjacent, you finish by checking drying and then sealing the finish with a varnish to lock the panel lines into place. If a line lifts or looks too heavy, you can reapply a thin pass to even it out, or carefully remove the excess with thinner and redo that small area. If the applicator clogs, stop and clean the dropper and brush with thinner. Filter the liner through fine mesh before using again. Make sure the model is fully cured before final handling to avoid smearing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.